Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 44 of Upskilling myself, and today I just solved today's problems because I revised some computer networking basics as well as did some internship work. And yeah, let's see the day's problems that I solved. So the first problem is subsets. So we have been given an integer array nums of unique elements, and we have to return all the possible subsets. So as you can see, this is the array over here, and an empty subset is also a subset. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 are the subsets. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So whenever you see all possible, you should backtrack, right? You should think of backtrack approach. So we define a vector of vector result which will store the subsets. Then we'll create current set which will be the current subset. Then we'll call this function which is get backtrack where we will pass the nums result current set and the index. The first index is 0 and then we'll return the result. Okay, so first of all the base case is we have to push the current set into the result. It doesn't matter if it's empty or not, we just have to push in the result. Okay, then we'll traverse the array from index to the size and we'll increment I. Then there are three steps in backtracking: choose, recurse, and backtrack. So in the choose, we'll push back nums of I into the current set. Then we'll call the backtrack function while incrementing I, and then we'll pop back from the current set, right? Then the second problem is combination sum. So we have been given an array of distinct integers and a target integer target. So you have to return a list of all the unique combinations of candidates where the chosen numbers sum to target. So we have to return the subsets whose sum is equals to 7. If this is the subset and the target is 7, so if you see 7 minus 2 is 5, then 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have to return subsets and reduce the nums from the 7. And when it becomes 0, we have to add into our output array. Okay, so yeah, this is the basic stuff. Then we call the function. In the function we pass candidates, target, the current array, then the result array, and the start index. Okay, now if the target is equals to 0, we'll push back the current into the result and we'll return, right? Else we have to traverse the array from start to the size and we'll increment I. Now if the candidates of I is greater than the target, we have to continue, we have to just skip it because we want it less than or equals to target, right? Then we'll push back the candidates of I into the current. Then we will call the recursive function again where the index can be repeated, and then we'll pop back from the current. Okay, it's similar to the previous problem. We have to choose, recurse, and backtrack. So here we choose, we recurse, and we backtrack. Then for the development part, I did some internship work. I did the revision of computer networking. I also did the revision of JavaScript and did the revision of all the DSA problems that I solved till now. So thank you guys for watching and see you on day 45.